What is a Kaku? Kaku is a web cloud tool that allows the user to collaboratively create meaningful diagrams, mind maps, network charts, create diagram, setting charts, organize and share diagrams, and much more from a library of catalog of symbols and stencil. The bridging of stencil is easy to manipulate by bridging connectors. Kakus organize and has the ability to share diagrams in real time with its online chat option. Unit basic units basic computer skills such as browsing the net, clicking and dragging selected items to decide place to effectively navigate the tools. So here's the link to the website. Here's the outlook of the website. So over here you can see that you can try it free, and here's the price for the Kaku. Here's the templates. There's a lot of templates that you can try to use for different purposes. For example, we go to the network diagrams. You can see the star free trial over here. And then you can put your full name, email, and password over here, and you can sign up. As you can see, there's a lot of types of diagrams over here, so you can use it. Especially this one is not for only yourself, but you can share it with other people. So the audience of this is going to be teachers. Kaku is an appropriate tool that can be utilized in a teaching environment. I think for the teacher it's gonna be easy, and it's gonna be so helpful to use this one to show children that you want to put in the charts. And the second audience is going to be students and groups working. It allows for real-time sharing and collaboration among students with its online chat feature. It can be used in computer science, programming, and networking by sharing and creating flowcharts and computer network designing. Kaku would also be useful in math for students who can create and draw out a process on how to solve a problem, or for language arts, or on how to map out their arguments. As you know, it's gonna be really easy to remember things on if you draw it out. And usually we draw it out as mind map, as something like you can express the idea in the shortest way. So Kaku for students is gonna be really helpful. And the cost, as I told you before, is gonna free like 14-day trial. But Kaku has set a price on that soon, and then I discovered that after you have created about 25 diagrams, you just show up the money. For recommendations, because I'm a visual learner, so I really like this tool. And as you can see right here, the overall rating is 4 out of 5. So I think there's a lot of people using this one and trust on this one. So here are advantages and disadvantages of using QQ. But the advantage is gonna be easy registration, and you just need to put your email in it, and that's it. Aside to more detailed and complex stencil, some of the advantages of using this tool you can share with other students. As you know, we don't have a lot of time to go outside and meet each other, so for an online creative things like this, you can easily share it with other people, and you can save a lot of time. Can collaborate in real time with other students. You can add images and web links. You have an extensive library of stencils. You have access to create 25 diagrams before you have to pay.